After making countless of scrunchies, I found the secret. Today, I'm excited to share with you the best and easiest way to make scrunchies. I designed a fat quarter specifically for this project. A 5-in-1 scrunchie bundle with matching and coordinating fabrics. Stay tuned until the end to find out how you can get your hands on this amazing bundle shipped straight to your door for free. Welcome to the Luli Print Sewing channel. You can follow along with the fabric of your choice. We're going to start by cutting a rectangle that is 18 inches long by 5 inches wide. Then we're going to fold it in half and sew with a straight stitch using a 3/8 of an inch or a centimeter seam allowance. We're going to press the seam open with our fingers, flip it over, and we're going to fold the first layer of fabric towards the center. Don't worry, I'm going to show you again from a different angle. Here is a better view, so just make sure that you grab the first layer and we're going to fold it towards the center, and then the last layer of fabric, we're just going to match the seams and sew a straight stitch. So when we're sewing, we want to make sure that we're only sewing 2 layers of fabric. The fabric that we folded in the center is the one that we're going to be pulling towards us. It's easier when you use your left hand to hold only the first layer of fabric and then you pull that folded center fabric towards you. So this is what we're going to do to sew the whole length. So every time we get a stop to reach for more fabric, we're going to make sure that the needle is down and we lift our presser foot up. Just please make sure to tuck in that folded fabric so we're only sewing on 2 layers of fabric. Before we reach the beginning, that's the seam where we started sewing, we're going to leave an opening that's about 2 fingers, so we have room to flip our fabric right side out and to thread the elastic. We're going to cut our elastic at about 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters, so we have a little bit of extra and it's more comfortable when we're tying the knot. I like to use a safety pin to help me thread the elastic through, and then you can use a clip on the other end to hold it together with the fabric so it doesn't come around. Then I like to do a double knot. I find this easier than trying to zigzag the elastic and it's way faster. So to finish our scrunchie, we're going to tuck in the elastic and then we're going to close that opening by top stitching. Make sure to backstitch at the beginning and at the end, and just like that, our scrunchie is done. This is such a fun and easy project, and I love it that in just a few steps we have our scrunchie ready. Like I mentioned before, one lucky winner will get this fat quarter 5-in-1 scrunchie bundle. I've designed it in premium minky fabric because it's so soft and comfy that's perfect for a scrunchie. Okay, here's how to enter and get a chance to win this fat quarter fabric. All you need to do is leave a comment and be subscribed to my channel. You can help me get ideas for what fabric to design next and what other projects you would like to learn. We'll randomly select one winner within the first 100 comments after 7 days, and we will ship it for free anywhere in the USA. One last thing I wanted to share with you is what happens if you actually sew on top of that folded layer in the center and how to fix it. So, because some of the fabric is sewn together, I am not able to pull towards me anymore. So we're gonna have to undo some stitches and then start over, making sure that we tack the center fabric in the middle. Now this time we're gonna make sure to leave our needle down, lift our presser foot, and then pull some fabric towards us and make sure to keep sewing with 2 layers of fabric only. Because I had a little bit more space in my design for the fat quarter, I decided to add just a plain solid red to create a bow for one of the scrunchies. We're going to sew along the inside of the shape and we're going to leave a gap to turn the fabric right side out. You can click on the top right to learn how to make this adorable pin cushion. So that's why I have my pins so I can remember to leave an opening. To finish the bow, we're going to cut along the shape and then flip it right side out. And then we're going to top stitch to close the opening. Now choose one of your favorite scrunchies and then I'm going to place it right along the seam just with one knot. I think it's such a cute little accent and something fun to add to our scrunchie. So I actually made a template for the bow, so it's easier for you, you just have to print it. So go ahead and check out the description and it's a free template and a PDF that you can go ahead and download. So I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial today. I had a lot of fun designing this 5-in-1 scrunchie bundle for this project. Please let me know in the comments what other fabrics and designs or what other projects you would like to see in my future videos. What I love about this fabric is that you get 5 coordinating scrunchies in one fat quarter. I'm gonna leave the link below for my Spoonflower shop so you can go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching and please leave a comment so you can be part of this fun giveaway. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you get a notification when we select the winner and some updates for my future videos.